Well, there's where we're starting. Let's get going here. What you doing, buddy? What you doing, buddy? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing, buddy? Here, you want a bone? Here. Come here. Come here. Ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. You go home. Go home. You don't want to come over here. He knows he ain't supposed to be here. And so he didn't know what I was up to. So he's a little bit sketchy. But we'll leave him alone. Could have rode out after him, I guess, but now there's another one over there. People and their dogs. Can't even get out of my driveway without seeing dogs. Can't even get out of my driveway without seeing dogs. Oh, I hate mowing around this pond. See this pond here? It's rough, especially with the zero turn. Really rough to mow it, so I've been just leaving it grow. I mowed it for about 7 or 8 years and I just got tired of it. Only the spot that we ever fish off of is right here off the road, so what's the point? The guy who put the pond in didn't put it in very good for mowing. Hello everybody! Papa Blue Shirt here, out for our daily ride. See what we can get into today. Thanks for coming along with me, and I hope you enjoy this little ride I'm going on today. We'll probably do 35 or 40 miles because I need to get back and do some work, but gotta get my ride in. So let's go. Hey, puppy. Boy, it's really windy out today. Again. Pant leg keeps coming off my boot here. Don't like how it feels. I don't like how it feels. Well, it's a pretty nice day today, about 59 I think or something like that. So I'll take it. Even with the wind, I'll take it. Rather have 59 and windy than 39 and not. Amish telephone booth there. There's the puppy. There's one puppy. There's one little puppy. Hey, you puppy. There's one little puppy. One little puppy. Hey there, puppy. Hey, little puppy. Hey there, puppy. Aw, you're so cute. Hi there, puppy. Hi there. Hi there. Yeah, hi there, buddy. Hi. Yeah. Hi there. You want that? Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Hi, yeah. Hi there. Yeah. Hi there, buddy. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yeah, you're so cute. Hi there, buddy. Hi there, buddy. Yeah, you're so cute. Yes, you are. You're adorable. And that one I gave him the bone, he's over there chewing away on it. Hi there, buddy. Hi there, buddy. Yeah, that's a cute little dude. Yeah, you are. Hi there. Hi there. Hi. Hi. Yeah. What did he get? What did he get? What did he get? Yeah. Hi there. Yeah. Hi there. Yeah. No, you better go back home. You better go back home. Yeah, you're adorable. Yeah. You want that? Here. 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 Such puppies. Yeah, such puppies. All right, I gotta go now. I gotta go now. Oh, there's more puppies over there. Puppies everywhere. puppies everywhere. That's where I saw those 15 puppies that one day, all laying in the road. I couldn't hardly believe it. Some dogs came out there in the woods and I just heard the it's kind of scared me. All right, here's Raccoon Apocalypse number 3, I think. You can see there's like a beaver and a couple of raccoons. 1, 2, 3, I see at least 3 or 4. That does look like something's been eating at them. So maybe, I don't know, just weird. All the raccoons that are dying. It's weird how my pant leg keeps falling down. Or falling up, as the case may be. Yeah, kind of weird. Kind of weird. My raccoon apocalypse. Yeah, sure is windy through here, so this will be another good test for this mic. I will say that I've been very sincerely impressed. I spent all those years trying to shield my phone from wind noise. A dead possum there. And yeah, so wind noise was always on my mind, and a lot of times the wind was just so bad I just couldn't use it. I'd have to do something else with the footage, but here lately, boy, I don't know why this guy's stopping on the bridge here. Probably looking to see how bad the water is or something. Probably looking to see a washing machine down there in the water, or a dishwasher, it looked like. I don't know why people do that. Throw it in the water like that. You know, take it out in the backwoods somewhere. If you really need to dump it somewhere. Or better off, why don't you take it to the dump where it's supposed to go? I know a lot of places make it hard to dump stuff at the dump. Got to be a member of the county and certain group, certain area. Certain areas got to pay way more than others. It's like, you people do realize that if you make it hard for people to drop stuff off the dump, they're not going to do it. They're just going to take it on a back road somewhere and dump it. So it'd be much cheaper just to let them dump it. But people don't think about their unintended consequences of the laws that they pass. I hear that a lot of places are wanting to pass laws against fast e-bikes, you know. I mean, they don't realize especially out here on the road, it's much better to be fast because you get out of the way faster. And how is it any different than a motorcycle? I mean, we're not anywhere near as fast as a motorcycle. I could go get this license as a motorcycle and then they wouldn't be able to do anything. All I have to do is put turn signals on it. So, you know, just a bunch of Karens who had never ridden an e-bike in their life, and they hate them because it's progress. It's technology, you know, and they had that one person one time when they were out on the trail that buzzed by them on an e-bike. You know, like you could never do that with a regular bike. But then they gotta pass a law, you know. That's why I like our state here in the Midwest. Pretty much they leave us alone. I mean, if you go rip snorting through town or something, I mean, that might cause you to get stopped, but out here in the country, they just leave you alone. That's the way I like it. Just want to be left alone, that's all. Want to be left alone and do what I want to do, you know, within the limits of the law. But they don't have to be going and passing, you know, special laws just to outlaw my fun. But yeah, especially overseas, they're really horrible. You know, they want to get everyone to ride e-bikes and do electric cars, but then they want to pass all the laws to make them so slow that you can't even get out of your way. Can't get out of your own way. We have a cable guy there or something. So we'll head down this way. See what's going on down here. Riding my bike over by the river crossing. No doggies today, I guess. There's a German Shepherd that comes out there and he'll chase me a lot of times. But he's not out today, don't look like. Either that or he's slow getting out. And I was already past. A lot of fields in our area, a lot of farming. It's nice, but when they're farming it in the springtime, boy, you gotta watch it. They'll be spraying and stuff, and you be going by and you get a mouthful of stuff they're spraying. And sometimes they're spraying when it's really windy. It's like, why would you do that? A lot of it is not even hitting the ground, it's just blowing away. Haven't seen them in a while. Oh, it feels really nice going up this hill with a lot of juice. Usually when I get to this point in my ride, I'm getting low and I can't, get going very fast. But today we only got 30 miles about here, so still got plenty of juice left. With those dead raccoons, you'd think they would be a bunch of buzzards on them or something. But for some reason they leave them alone. I did see them the first day. That's what brought my attention to them. But it doesn't look like they ate them. So I don't know. It seems like a bird has a second sense or something to know when something is not good to eat or something. I don't know. Things that make you go, Well, there's another abandoned house. That's what, 5-6 on this road so far already. I wonder if they make a glove with a magnet in it so you could hold your phone and not lose your phone while you're holding it. I think that'd be kind of neat. Figure out some way to put a strap on it or something. Yeah, but then when you put it in your pocket, the strap wouldn't work, would it? Two little dogs there. Two little terrier dogs that come way down the road for me. If I didn't hit the brake, I would have hit them. You wonder how they live. Probably because most of the traffic's cars and they can't get to them fast enough. But yeah, gotta always be on the lookout. I tell you that much. Because you hit one of them, it wouldn't do them no good, but it probably wouldn't do you no good either. Make you wipe out. Yep, I hit a big basset hound once, believe it or not. A basset hound or take a look at this sign here. All the bullet holes in it. Anyways, there's a big old basset hound or a big wiener dog, I don't know. It was really slow, but he beat me to the road. He took a line that he could get there before I did, and most of the time he would just run alongside the road, so I didn't expect him to come out. Him and a Rottweiler, believe it or not. And across the road he come, got right in front of me, and I hit him. And he yelped and went running back home. There's another abandoned house. There's one over there too. Right there. But anyways, he went running home and went back by later with the car just to see if he's okay, and he was sitting on the porch, so I figured he was all right, but he never did chase me no more after that, so I broke him of that. That's where we ended today, and 13477, 35.3 miles, and it took us an hour and a half, about, so that's cool. It was a really nice ride, and as I said, I wasn't going to go as far today because I had work to do. So. Alrighty. Thanks for riding with me. This is Papa Blue Shirt. Goodbye, good luck, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.